This. Oh, that hard. That hard. And nobody in the car either, bro. That shit. Bro, every time, bro.
And on my board, that's mine, on one to that purple and black. No, this not a regular rap. I'm turn up the channel, no brand, no keep like some ammo, they barely prepare. Take a challenger right off the ice, water straight to the 1 to 100 case, I got a share. And every time you hear Lamar, you know Brando just out the vid, we gon' burn over murder. Oh, the littest, YouTuber living, cause ain't no one living like this, so that's Brando done did it again. Would you be consistent? Would you draw that boat like a promo, bro, driving it cool like a stick? Oh, that's Brando the littest, YouTuber living.
Man, everybody, oh, that's Brando, and I'm back with another video for y'all today, man. Hey, man, say, man, my boy hit me up, man. He just caught something off the showroom floor. Well, you already know what it is. That's why you clicked the video, man, because you saw the title, you saw the thumbnail. So, yes, I'm gonna pull up with my brother. He said he got that guy, he got that dark horse, man. You know, I'm a Dodge, man, to the death of me. So, for me to even get close to a Mustang is very rare, bro. On God, very rare. So, I'm gonna go check out the dark horse, see what the pros, what the cons is. You know what I'm saying? Show y'all. Why not bring y'all with me? Now let me know what y'all think, man. Y'all like the electric move that, you know what I'm saying, that the company's bringing out? Or, you know what I'm saying, y'all think we should just, you know, stay to the engine? I'm always stay Dodge, bro, but I'm gonna see if that dark horse gonna change my mind, because I'm reading a lot of stuff about it in the vlogs, in the articles and stuff like that. So my bro called me off the showroom floor. Congratulations to him. Everybody go check it out. So I'm gonna turn it back on once we get there. Let's go. Yo, this shit hard as bro. Oh my God, bro. Like, it be hard, bro. It be hard. You see the dark horse logo. You know, I don't do stains, bro, but this one is different. This one is different for real, for real. That's a paper tag art, baby. This hard, bro. All right, bro. So walk me through this, bro. What made you want to get a dark horse, bro?
2024.
Mine, he got that shit on. Mine, he got that shit on. Wait, stop playing. Oh God. So walk me through this, bro.
Really, the interior got me. I ain't gonna lie.
The interior, bro. This shit better. What the?
Interior got me.
Damn.
Interior got me. I can't lie.
Yo, this shit.
You know, I had a
that be hard. That be hard, bro. It got 2 iPads. It ain't no back seat, but that is tough.
It really got me though.
What's that? It be hard, bro. On God, it be hard. The dark horse, bro. The dark horse. Let me see what he talking.
Still ain't doing it. Hold on.
Hold on. Look at us. See that why we won't go forward. That's why we stay Dodge. Okay. It's a little something. A little something.
But most people don't know. Most people don't know it's a remote rail feature on here.
It's a what?
A remote rail.
How that
You
is?
crank it up. Let the car idle down, right? Once it idle down, you can rev it from the key.
Stop line.
Swear to God.
You can read that from your key.
Swear to God. I like it.
I gotta hear this shit. Oh God. This man just snap. Alright. This shit. Oh, that hard. That hard. And nobody in the car either, bro. That shit sounds good as fuck. Yo. Hey, y'all let me know what y'all think, bro. Let me know what y'all think. And the back tire got 2 brake pads. That's a fucking Tesla, bro. That's some Tesla shit. How much was it?
Sticker price 66, dealer fee is about 5, so 70.
Oh, yeah. Okay, ain't bad. 70. Dang, boy, got the dark horse, bro. So is it really worth it, bro? Like,
It's worth it to be. I ain't gonna lie. Like,
this shit tough.
the Magna rod standard on this, so it feel like you flowing while you driving.
Damn.
Great.
I don't know why I thought it was electric, bro.
Like, everybody thinks it's electric. I don't know why.
This shit go hard. Bro, that man just popped out. You already know what I'm about to ask. I just about to ask.
I already knew that was coming in.
I'm not even open this tough. Oh yeah, I forgot they do got the own twins.
Do it this year.
Sheesh. This bitch hard. Do all stains come with the own car?
Only performance packages, and then the dark horse is standard on here. So
this is insane. And mind you, you got 2 Fox bodies.
yeah, 2 Fox.
Nah, you don't got 1. You got 2 Fox bodies back at the crib.
Cool in the hatchback.
Oh God, that boy loves some Ford, but I don't know what he like, man. But hey, that my brother, so hey, we gonna ride with it. This be hard, boy. 2024 dark horse. For sure. This bit tough. What you gonna do to it? What's next? You gonna wrap it?
I'm gonna keep it like this for a minute. Well, I'm gonna PPL first.
You gonna what?
I'm gonna do the paper texture film, or either ceramic coat.
Oh, yeah, ceramic coat. Yeah, true. You wanna tell me that. Why you didn't take the front windshield?
I did 55. I couldn't see. I couldn't. I
55?
did. I had 5 on the side. I was like, I can't see. I'm gonna go 20.
You went 20 on the sides?
Yeah.
Damn.
Still dark.
That still dark. Oh God. That be look just like mine.
Then I was gonna go 35 on the front, but that shit was too dark.
No, hell no. I go 50, bro.
I went 50. I went 55 on the front.
That bitch still look good. Dark horse. Y'all let me know what y'all think about this. You know what I'm saying? Y'all fucking with it or not. In my opinion, it's straight. You feel me? It's straight. But I just know Dodge gonna come out something better, bro. Oh no. They kind of messed up going electric, bro. Oh God, he said get quiet. Oh chill. He said how much this pushing? 500 horsepower. So y'all let me know what y'all think about this, bro. 500 horsepower, 70 plus. You see the specs, Brembos, inside looking like a goddamn Apple store, 2 iPads. It's gonna be so I can sit in this. Yeah, oh yeah, it's spacious in here. I can definitely tell you.
Way more than the S550s. I was like, bro, I'm gonna just.
This shit, yeah, this shit's spacious.
Okay. Then
You got this shit hard, bro. Wait, what you know about that Yachty, boy?
Watch this though. Watch this though. Hold on, nah. All right here. I'm still trying to learn this shit. There's too much in here.
High tech, bro.
Let's get out of here. What's going on?
That bitch is digital like hell.
Cluster things. You can change any one of these. I like the Fox body mode because you know I got the
What
Fox.
the fuck?
You know I drive the Fox.
Oh, so he got the Fox body. Oh, that's tough. That's hard. So you can change the.
Yeah, you got calm. You
Oh,
got
that's
track,
tough. What the fuck?
Sport.
This bitch is hard, bro. That shit hard. What the, so you say you drop on a Fox body?
Yeah, I drive
so
the Fox
that's a
body
custom?
mode. So yeah, it's just it do everything like the Fox. Like when it get dark, it turn green just like the Fox body do. So.
What the oh, that, yeah. 4, y'all snap with that one. 4 snap with that one.
And then you know like.
This shit hard, bro.
Yeah, it's awesome mode. Oh, track mode.
Yeah, that shit. Hit it again. Hey, man. Hey, it might be worth it. It might be worth the 70 piece.
Everything you want, bro.
Hey, man. Hey, bro. This might be worth the 70 piece. I ain't gonna hold you now. Ford, it might be on to something now. It might be on to something now.
Right now.
Yeah, I don't know about all that. Now, I don't know about all that. But this shit harder to the stitching, to the, what is carbon fiber?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, they snap, bro. This shit, Alcantara, everything. Seats, Alcantara. Yeah, this shit hard. This shit hard. I ain't gonna give it to you. This shit hard. 500 horsepower. It's hard. Let me get one more look on the outside. Yeah, this bit tough. They got the, you know, Hellcat logo, you feel me? We're gonna Hellcat logo right there, you feel me? They got the front. I don't know why I keep thinking this shit's electric, bro, but. So do they have an electric one?
They do. It's the Mach-E, so it's like an SUV.
Oh, got you.
My son wants to check out y'all's car.
It's all her, yes.
Oh yeah, you gonna check it out. Did what you really want to look at though. That's tough. That's tough. Hey, Ford snapped on that one.
You got that Coyote in it?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Challenge too.
Oh, you like the Challenger? Oh, that ain't nothing. That ain't nothing. Appreciate it though. It's weird though why they got 2 2 intakes. That's just, I don't know why they did that.
Carbon trap. So I was reading, watching YouTube videos. Some dudes, they losing like 15 horsepower because it's carbon traps in both of these.
For real?
Yeah, so you got to take them out. If you
15?
Want. Yeah, 15 each.
Yeah, so that's 30. Dang.
Cause you know, it's trying to make everything more like humane.
Yeah, efficient and stuff. Good God. So this is the top of the line for the new.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, it's that Coyote, man. That's a
Yeah.
good engine. Come stop, almost 700 horsepower.
Oh yeah. It's definitely a good look though. It's definitely a good look, for sure. I can't stop looking at it. I like the spoiler though. The spoiler hard. That hard, bro. Hey man, I'm proud of you, twin, bro. I'm proud of you, bro. He got that shit on, bro. That one thing, my boy. He gonna always have that shit on, bro. Never, bro. He always gonna have it on, bro. Hey man, what you gotta tell the folks that watching, bro? Like, you think they should go to Ford or you think they should stay Dodge?
Everybody go get a Mustang, bro.
Hey man, say man. I don't know. Y'all let me know, bro. Let me know, bro. Y'all like Mustangs, y'all like Dodge, y'all like Chevy. Y'all let me know. You know, I'm a Dodge guy. We got the factory 707, you feel me? But we ain't gonna talk about that. We're gonna talk about this masterpiece right here. So, yeah, this shit hard, bro. Appreciate this shit for real. It been tough. All right, bro, so you said this is not GT. So what is what's the levels, bro?
So you got Ego Boost Premium, GT Premium, Dark Horse and Dark Horse Premium. This is a Dark Horse Premium.
This is a Dark Horse Premium. So this is the top of the line.
Yeah.
Damn. Shit. And you can't do shit to it. How many miles you gotta get for the unlock?
They told me to get to 5,000. So
damn.
You gonna see? I'm at 600 right now. I ain't been driving it too much.
Yeah, this shit looks so good, bro. Oh my god. This shit look good as hell. I don't know, bro. What would you do to this, bro? Like this shit is crazy.
The thing about me, I don't really like decals and stuff, so I was gonna take this off, but
this a decal?
Yeah.
No, I'll leave that on there. I'll leave that. I don't want to touch. I'll leave that shit on there.
Some people know it's a Dark Horse for real, I guess. So.
Yeah, true. Cause you gonna get tried a lot. But really, the symbol right there really would tell it all.
Yeah.
Face ass. Well, that need to be a cat, twin. No cat.
Looking at them, but bro, like me, I just be like, bro.
But you know in Atlanta, bro, we cannot get cats, bro. You gotta know what's going on. Yeah. You can't enjoy life, bro, while you coming outside and your shit gone. This shit is amazing though, bro. Like, damn. Damn, so this shit, would it be the GT350?
Nah, GT350 still higher.
Damn, why they stop making them?
I don't know.
Shit. Damn. So you got the top of the line, bro. You snap. You snap your Camaro.
Thank you. That's nice.
Appreciate it.
Alan Vigil. Yeah, last Monday. Yeah, I love it. I love it.
Oh, you got this is a Z01?
It's a 1LE, it's not a Z01.
1LE?
It's a 2SS.
What you got done to it?
Just exhaust and cold air and things, so I'm keeping it more cheap.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah, that's true.
About 10,000 more.
This look good though itself. Good God. My homeboy got a Z01 track. He got the track edition with the wing.
Yeah.
But I don't like it, okay? It got like a rocky feel to it. Yeah.
Z01's pretty.
But it can take corners though at a high speed. Yeah.
This with the 70 miles and it's like it ain't doing nothing.
Yeah. Look, she don't like that. It look good though, man. Oh yeah.
That one you can rip with a kick.
That boy, it junk crazy. It look weird looking at it though, bro. Cause I'm so used to seeing like the regular model. That shit crazy. And he pull up in the 1LE. That's right there. That's that guy. Proud father moment. You put him in the Z01. That'd be right there nasty though. So I guess this is a cool feature that they got. You can rev it with the key.